Hello and welcome back to another one of our Fireside Chats. I'm Rebecca Heinrich. I'm the Milk Bank Director here at the Rocky Mountain Children's Health Foundation. And today I am thrilled to have with me Rachel Goodman, our Director of Clinical Relations. It is September, which means it's NICU Awareness Month, which is a wonderful time for us to get to reflect on the amazing work that all of our NICU teams do to keep our premature babies safe. Rachel, thank you so much for being our guest today.
Thank you so much. I'm really happy to be here, and I'm so excited to chat about donor milk and the important impact that it has on babies in the NICU.
Perfect. Let's start by learning a little bit more about you, Rachel. Can you tell us about your background and how you found your way here to Mother's Milk Bank?
Yeah, absolutely. So my background is as a registered dietitian. I worked in hospital, treating and working with patients inpatient and outpatient. And then I transitioned into this line of work because this most amazing opportunity came about. I had already breastfed both of my babies, and that lactation journey just meant so much to me, and it was a really profound journey in my life. And so I really felt like this opportunity was the perfect marriage between something so highly nutritious and important and impactful for babies, and marrying it with my deep love and passion for lactation and supporting families in this way and getting donor milk out there with good access for the babies who need it.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible. I love it when things come together in such a perfect way like that, and we're just thrilled to have you here with us. So. I know part of your role involves visiting hospitals and the milk depots we work with.
Yes.
Can you share a little bit more about what your job entails and how we get the donor milk into the hospitals?
Yes, absolutely. So if you are already working with us, you place your order, we get that milk out to you, and we try to make it as easy as possible. If you are a new hospital customer, you would likely get in touch with me. We would set up an account for you. You can start ordering donor milk, and we try to make the process as quick and easy as possible so that you can have the access for donor milk that you need for your babies. In terms of depots that we work with, we have about 75 or so sites across the whole country, which are drop-off points for our approved donors to drop off milk at. We try to make it as easy as possible for them to get their milk to us. We can also do direct ship, of course, for our donors. So if that's not a convenient option for them, we can work directly with the donor so that they can ship their milk to us. And we pay for the shipping and everything, so donors they don't have to come out of pocket for anything. And I do love visiting our hospitals. I love visiting our depots. It's so wonderful to be able to FaceTime with people. We talk about what's going on in their hospital, new things, updates at the milk bank, any challenges that they're having, if they need research on a certain topic, if their providers are curious about learning more. So we do a lot of research and sharing of information, education, outreach events. You might see me exhibiting at a conference or in the community, getting our materials out there to make sure that all of our hospital partners and our depots have the materials that they need to share with the community about receiving milk and milk donation. That was a mouthful.
We are grateful for it. Well, it's so important that I think everyone in the community gets to know the importance of this work and that we are here for them. Not only in Colorado, but actually nationwide. We serve many hospitals as one of the larger milk banks, and so we have a big responsibility, and you have a big job to communicate that to everybody.
Yes,
so thank you for that.
I try my best.
Speaking of milk depots, can you describe kind of more in depth what a milk depot is and how that serves the community?
Yeah, absolutely. So our milk depots are wonderful facilities, partners of ours, where they are set up to be a site to receive donated milk. That means that they have some freezer dedicated to storing human milk, and they give us a call when a donation arrives. We orchestrate to get that milk back to us at the milk bank. If it's in the Denver metro area, we will send a courier to pick up that milk so we can have it back here at the milk bank for processing. If it's out of state, we orchestrate through FedEx and we get that milk to us in a timely fashion. And the milk depots don't have to worry about screening the donors or any of that. We do all of that here at Mother's Milk Bank. So they really are a wonderful community partner in terms of being a site to drop off milk, and also to talk about milk donation within their community, patients they might have it in contact with. So they're also talking about donor milk and milk donation. They're wonderful partners.
Amazing. We are so grateful to all of our milk depots and truly to all of our milk donors. They are the ones who make what we do possible. With NICU Awareness Month, it's critical that these babies have access to donor human milk when they need it. And so every donor is truly saving lives. And I hope that you all know that.
Yes, so true.
We are just so grateful for all of the life-saving work that is done in these NICUs to save these premature infants.
Yes.
Oh, my heart.
So important, I know. And I have to say that when I go and visit NICUs at hospitals, I see sometimes the baby's bundled up, and it's just so sweet and precious, and to know that they're under the care of these amazing NICU staff, and the level of support and expertise that they have is really, truly incredible, and we are honored and grateful to be able to provide donor human milk to those hospitals so that these babies can thrive and they can be healthy, and also it supports a breastfeeding journey too.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for being with us here today, Rachel, and thank you all for joining us at our Fireside Chat. We are always looking for new milk donors, so if you are interested or if you know someone who is, please visit our website at milkbankcolorado.org and check us out. We would love to chat about some opportunities there, and we would really be grateful. So thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you at our next episode of Fireside Chats.
Thanks, bye.